Haley. Haley.
Sorry, Miss Clark.
Did you not get enough sleep last night?
I tried, but my mom and her boyfriend was up late last night. Couldn't sleep.
You can go home. Please don't be late for homeroom tomorrow. And do your homework. Wait a minute. What happened to your arm?
I fell.
Where did you fall?
I don't know. Can I go home?
So, can we schedule with the parents next week?
Principal McKee, I'm concerned about Haley Breen. I think we need to make another complaint to Children and Youth Services.
Again?
Caseworker Brown was very familiar with Haley Breen. Haley had a long history with Children and Youth Services.
Hello, Justice Martin. I know it is after hours, but I need an apprehension order for Haley Breen. We've received another complaint from her teacher, and I will need a clause for a police escort.
Caseworker Brown felt Haley was in danger and needed to be apprehended.
What did my boyfriend do now? Jimmy! Jimmy!
Miss Breen, you're being served with an apprehension order.
A what?
We have to take Haley.
Can't take my baby. Don't take my baby. Please, me.
Miss Breen, let her go.
No, don't play me. I need my baby.
Haley immediately went into foster care. Caseworker Brown filed a permanent guardianship order for Haley. A PGO was filed because of Haley's previous time in the care of Children and Youth Services. A child can only have a certain number of days in care before other permanent options need to be made. Caseworker Brown passed Haley's files onto the court coordinators for Children and Youth Services. The court coordinators represent Children and Youth Services in court. The initial custody hearing happens after the apprehension. The court coordinators need to show the court why the apprehension was appropriate. In this situation, the judge agreed an apprehension was the right thing to do. Children and Youth Services was granted initial custody of Haley, and a trial date was set for the PGO.
I have spoken with Ms. Breen, and she is not the abuser. She's moved out and is no longer in contact with him. She understands the PGO and will agree to the PGO as long as she can visit Haley.
Due to the circumstances, they would have to be supervised visits.
That's fine with me.
And Ms. Breen is willing to attend treatment.
That will be noted in your file.
Ms. Breen, do you understand what you are signing and what this means to you and Haley?
Yes.
Miss Breen, her NCSA court worker, and the caseworker attended the court date. The PGO was reviewed by her NCSA court worker to make sure it included what was discussed in the meeting. The court coordinators presented the PGO and report to the judge. The judge read the report and granted the PGO, which allowed Haley to visit her mum.
She's late.
Hi, my girl. I am so sorry the bus was running late.
Miss Breen attended treatment. She is prepared to work with her caseworker, and so far she has attended all of her supervised visits with her daughter.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
It's a long road, but you can work with your caseworker to get your child back after a PGO has been granted. It is in your best interest to work with your caseworker. If at any time you are involved with Children and Youth Services, you should get a lawyer to help you understand the legal rights and responsibilities of your family. An NCSA court worker can put you in touch with legal aid. Thanks for watching.